Everybody, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel and happy Monday. And today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the gorgeous November sub box from Simply Gilded. And as you can tell, the theme is Sweet Celebration, and this is because this is also Irene's anniversary box, and this box is actually bigger than the normal box. I mean, if you could see it in person, this is bigger. It holds so much more, and it has so much more because Irene wanted to really thank everybody for supporting her and for being a subscriber. And in fact, in the back it says celebrating 4 beautiful years of Simply Gilded. Now I'm gonna take everything out of the box and I'll be sharing with you. So if you're interested and you're not subscribed yet, I will have a link below where you can subscribe and get your box. And the sub boxes are actually shipping out this week, so if you're a subscriber you will receive a shipping confirmation soon. Now let me get everything out and I'll be right back. And I'm back, guys, and there is so much included. I mean, first of all, this is the little cute little menu list that you get every month so that you know exactly what you will be receiving. And as you can tell, there's a lot, and it includes a mystery item which I will not be revealing because I don't want to ruin everybody's surprise. So it will not be shown. So if you are one of those people that do not want to see it, no worries, you can watch the whole videos. It will not be revealed. I already set it aside. But let me start with the first item, foil journaling card. And I just took a peek and it's, oh my god, it's the cutest thing ever. Look at adorable little Juniper jumping up like in midair with a little cute pink dress on, and she's so happy. And there is this beautiful stardust kind of like pattern that's falling on her like beautiful stars. I just love this. This will make a gorgeous dashboard for your planner, or just even having it framed. Honestly, it's one of the cutest thing I think I've ever seen from Irene. It's adorable, and that's saying a lot. Then the second item on the list is designer washi tapes. So in this month's box you get 5 rolls of washi, so you'll get 2 5mm ones. Let me show them to you, and they have the perforated line, and they are in a kind of like pastel rainbow effect. And let me see if I can unroll them quickly. One is, it's probably hard to see with the camera with the bright lights, but this has more of a silver holographic foiling, while this one is a gold foiling, and I'm trying to find the edge of it, but of course I can't. Oh, there it is. And they're slightly, there we go, beautiful rainbow. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. And I love the 5mm because if you're using an Obonichi, I mean, it comes in handy. It's one of my favorite sizes actually. And then you get the 50mm. This is absolutely stunning. This has got this kind of I can't think of the word right now, but it's a bow washi, and it goes from a white to a pink. And it's if I showed you my drawer, I have a drawer full of this style of washi. It's absolutely stunning. It has this holographic, I think it's holographic foiling, and then it comes in the matching 10mm, because of course you need to have the matching one. And I know, this is so beautiful. It totally screams celebration to me. It just so pretty. And then you get one limited edition, if we should call it, of the Stardust Washi, and this is beautiful. The background is white. And of course you can put it upside down or this whatever side you want. And the little stars and the little dots are a mixture of a silver and a gold. So it's really soft, and the color is not pink. It's more of like a very light, faint purplish hue, but together they are absolutely stunning. And of course there's also the 5mm add-on if you want to purchase separately, which I'll show you at the end of the video, not to get anybody confused. Then the next item on the list is a confetti sticky notepad. And how cute is this? I love this pink. Let me rip this apart so that I can show you better. And I love Irene's little sticky notes. I use them every day. They are so pretty, but this one is gorgeous. It will look gorgeous in a little planner. You can insert these in your planner because it's a perfect size to go anywhere. You can take them with you. It's beautiful with this kind of stardust, falling stars that are in dots here just on the edges in beautiful gold foiling. The next item on the list, it's something that I don't know how I even got this in the box. I mean, this thing is huge. It's a shaker pouch sticker album, and how beautiful it is this. This is just like the color of this jelly kind of like material. It's like a white, milky white, you know, semi-transparent, and as you can tell, it's a shaker. So there is when you open it up, there's a pouch here. In the front of the pouch, there are stars that kind of like move about, and the stars and hearts that are inside, and the pattern is this beautiful silver stars. And then when you open it up, it's a storage for your stickers, so you can store all your stickers in here. You can slide them through here on the side. I'm actually thinking of using it for something else, but I'm gonna see if I can do it. But also there is a pouch back here if you want to insert a little planner, and then there is this beautiful closure here with the beautiful heart. And of course, if you want to use the pouch, just unzip it and you can store all your goodies in here. But I'm gonna see if I can do something else with this. I am thinking, I just got it, so I hadn't had a chance to really think this through, but this is so pretty. I really would love to turn this into something else. I'll keep you posted, guys. And then next up, it's premium sticker sheets and seals. So we got a lot of stickers this month. I mean, it's let me tell you, let me get the one, because there's way more than normal. So this is what we would normally get in the subscription box. So you'll get 2 sheets here, and this is you get 1 sheet that has 5 full boxes. Then you get your headers, your celebrate, your little kind of flags, and then you get this little icons, which are so cute. They're all about celebrations. I love all the colors and more Stardust, and the little icons with the little balloons that are shaped with like a little bunny hat, and of course adorable juniper that's got a little necklace with a little bow. It's so cute. And this is the sheet, the second sheet, in which you get an additional 3 full boxes, always beautiful foiling, 2 sets of days of the week, so that you can use the stickers, you know, for more than 1 week. And then you get more icons, you get some little checklists, celebrate, planning time, and then more appointment little headers that you can use there as well. Then you get an additional sheet in which you'll have 1 more full box, and then you get 4 half boxes, and I love the half box, and as you can tell, they are foiled, plus more of the deco with some rainbows and little bows. And then we get the sheet of the seals, and they are beautiful. The colors are so soft. I love the foiling, and the little clouds is just super beautiful. And I love this kind of like pastel-y rainbow. It's not super pastel-y, but it's not, you know, regular rainbow. And I'm a sucker for pastel, so that's it. And then next up is a rainbow B6 size notebook. So this is beautiful. The feel like, see this, oh yes, I remember seeing a sneak peek of this. Look at the paper inside. It's a rainbow paper, and it's dotted. It's so beautiful, and it says celebrating in the back, and it has all the foiling, which is silver and gold. It's got little bows, little stars, little dots, and it's so cute. So you can use this, you know, it will be, you know, perfect to keep track of birthdays, of things like that. I mean, anything, you know, because every page is different, so you could have like little pictures of special days, a special event, but it's just stunning. I love the feel of this. It's very smooth, and it's very substantial. The cover is pretty thick. And then we have the vellum and acetate mini sheets, and you know that this started last month, and I got so excited because I want to set up a planner using these goodies, right? So the first one is the acetate, and of course you'll see me in the reflection, but if you can tell, and actually I'm gonna try to put something in the back so you can see it better, but there's a cute little juniper with the little heart balloons, and they're all like in you know, in this super bright like silver. Actually, I think it's, yeah, it's silver foiling. It's gorgeous. And then we have the vellum, and the vellum, it's like embossed, if you, the feel of it, and it has the same pattern that it's on the beautiful B6 insert. right there. So perfect for a setup, of course. And as I always mentioned, you can always use this for cards. You can laminate this and do whatever you want. But for me, this will be perfect for setting up a little planner. Let's see if I can make that happen, you know, sooner rather than later. And then the next item is washi cards. And oh, I just took a peek at these. These are beautiful. So first of all, they're upside down. But look how many washi cards there are. And there's 5 of them. And so it's a rainbow of colors, basically. You get a purple, you get a blue, and you get a green, a yellow, and a pink. And they all have the same Stardust pattern on it on the front. And again, you can use this, if you don't want to use it for, you know, washi, you can use them for page markers. You can, you know, use them some decorations in your planner. So many ways you know, you don't have to necessarily use them for your washi. Then we have the engraved black gel ink pen, and I don't know, I think this is probably my all-time favorite pen from Irene, and this is just the most beautiful thing. It's got the ombre design, which is the word I was thinking of when I was trying to describe the washi, which is the ombre washi. So it matches so beautifully, and it goes from this pearly white all the way to the soft pink, and then there's this all these beautiful little stars and little dots. And of course, these are always a 0.5 millimeter black gel ink, which are you know, they write so beautifully. But this is gorgeous. There's something so so soft and about it. I don't know, I just love this pen. And then we have actually more stickers, because Irene wanted to really spoil us this month. She included not 1, not 2, not 3, 5 sheets of extra full boxes. So each sheet has 9 full boxes, which are a reproduction in a miniature of her previous cards. I don't know if you are obsessed with her cards like I am. I can show you my binders. I have 3 of them full of cards and her little stickers. But this is just gorgeous. So these are all, I don't know, fancy. Okay, that speaks to me. And then wild and free gift thanks. I have almost all of them. Actually, I don't have this one, and I don't have the sleigh all day. And then this is the second one. Oh God, they're so cute. Sending warm hugs. So I bet that you have these cute little like cards, and you know, they will be so cute to just decorate or just keep them. And there are 5 sheets. Never mind, there's a little misprint. There's 2 with a number 5, but one should have been a number 3. But no worries, it is 5 sheets, and so you're not missing on one. And then stargazing, I have never seen that one. That one is gorgeous. And then we finish up with the latest one, which is the one that we just received in this subscription box. So look, it's like the mama and the baby. They look so cute together. And this is one of the holiday ones that are coming out now, and this is probably my favorite sheet because, you know, it's pink and I am obsessed with pink. But so 5 more sheets. So guys, and then there's a mystery item that you know, I don't want to sneak peek, so you'll have to get the box, but it's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Then if you are a fan of the 5mm, you can also get the 5mm add-on, which has to ship with your main subscription box. But so that is $5.75 and ships for free with the subscription box. And I think it's one of the prettiest one that Irene has released. I am in love with this cute little kind of like swirl of this new 5mm washi. And of course there is the miniature of the ombre, and it is with vertical bows and horizontal bows, and one is in silver and one is in gold foiling. And then there is this cute one with a rainbow of little stars, and I would open it, but I don't know if it helps in showing you guys because my camera, which is my phone, is not helping me today. But here it is. I hope you can see it. It's the cutest thing. So if you haven't picked it up, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you add it to your subscription. And this is a separate, but it will ship with your main sub box. So here it is, guys. So I will have a link below. So if you are not subscribed and you want to get your box before it sells out, make sure to look below, or you can go to simplygilded.com and you will find a link where you can get everything. And this is again $25 plus either $4 shipping or $14 shipping, depending if you are international or if you are you know, what is the word, domestic. So here it is, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And if you have any questions, please probably reach out to me at PlanningFancy on Instagram. It's easier. I'm always there, and I always answer every DM. But have a wonderful week. Bye bye.